Silence.
Hi guys, my name is Manjoy Bhattacharya. I'm from the City of Dreams, Mumbai, and I'm the finalist of Rubaru Mr. India 2025. And I'm super excited for my finals, and let's hope for the best.
Hello, my name is Shubham Ravi. I am from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, and I am representing Mr. Rubaru India finalist. और काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है रूबरू मिस्टर इंडिया में और आगे कई सारी उम्मीदें हैं अच्छे करने की. थैंक यू.
Hello, my name is Mawani Sharma and I'm from Udaipur, Rajasthan. I'm representing the finalist of Rubaru Mr. 2025. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Madhuram Daga. I am from the city of Joy, Kolkata, and it is a really amazing experience to be a part of Rubaru Mr. India 2025. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Atula Chaudhary. I'm from Bihar. Currently I am representing my state. I'm from Bihar, as you all know. I'm the finalist of Rubaru Mr. India, and for now the experience is really grateful and I'm really looking forward for the finals. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Rubaru Mr. India 2025 finalist, and it's an amazing experience to stand on this platform and represent Uttar Pradesh and Agra and with all my fellow men and brotherhood. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rakesh Bosika and I am from Amchi, Mumbai, and I am the finalist for Rubaru Mr. India 2025. Thanks.
Hey everyone, I'm Nipun Singh. I come from heart of India, Madhya Pradesh, and I'm really delighted to be part of Rubaru Mr. India 2025.
Hello everyone, myself Sparsh Arora, and I'm from the city of Ghats and Temples, Varanasi, and I'm representing Rubaru Mr. India 2025. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sunish Hinduja from Delhi, and I'm the finalist of Rubaru Mr. India 2025. Thanks.
Anything that you would like to share or add your experience, any of you? I'm sure we're going to meet you again, so we'll talk more about it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm from the city of Hyderabad and I'm the finalist of Rubaru Mr. India.
Hey, this is Ananda Krishna. I'm from Kerala and I'm a finalist for Rubaru Mr. India 2025.
Hey, my name is Gokul Sahu. I'm born and brought up in Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. I am finalist of Rubaru Mr. India 2025.
Kurumzuri. I am Hanson Irom from Manipur and I am the finalist of Rubaru Mr. India 2025.
Namaste everybody. I am Deepak from the city of Taj and I am the finalist of Rubaru Mr. India 2025.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Abubakar. I am from Bangalore and I am the finalist of Rubaru Mr. India 2025.
So we have a doctor amongst ourselves. We would like to know from you what's your experience been like?
Experience has been nothing but extraordinary. Coming from the day one grooming sessions, the walks, all the photo shoots, it's been professional to the T, and it's been really amazing.
What about you?
Completely extraordinary actually, and to be honest, it was very, meeting a lot of people at the same time, meeting the idols of the fashion industry was really exhilarating, and yeah, it's an honor to be here and to become the best of the best. So yeah, it's really honored.
काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था, और क्योंकि डे 1 से हम लोगों को ग्रूमिंग वगैरह और हर चीज़ में हम लोग को परफेक्शन दिया जा रहा था. सो इट वाज अमेजिंग एंड लाइक इट्स टू बी लवली फॉर लाइक टू मीट ऑल ऑफ देम.
It was a really great experience, and I've learned a lot of new things from this grooming, and I've built a lot of confidence, and yeah, it's the best thing ever.
It is a great experience, and yes, we fight for the best of the best, and yes, हम अच्छा करेंगे definitely.
It's kind of quite learning experience. I learned a lot, and apart from that, it's kind of a fun and loving environment I got. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone. हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे वर्ल्ड का biggest pageant for men. I'm sure everyone's proud to be associated with. Tell us, how did the journey start? And so many years, it's decades altogether.
2004, Parul. 2004, it's 2025 right now. 21 years association with more than 15 international title, highest getting ranking in international, highest title. So we made a record all over the world. So I feel very proud, and I think we are the only pageant to run for 21 years, continue, and by God's grace we'll continue more. So I feel very proud that we are doing something for male pageantry, where male pageantry in India is completely dead compared to female. Female still you have an option, but male you have very less options. So I feel proud.
You know, there were days earlier when there used to be supermodels for men, which is, you know,
the era we missed.
Yeah, absolutely. And you brought that all back, and all your finalists and your contestants and the winners are doing extremely well. कैसा महसूस होता है मतलब एक प्लेटफॉर्म देना, which is so difficult for male, especially, you know, that genre is not touched.
It's a proud moment, Parul, because we have increased the age limit also now till 40. Married men also can fulfill their dreams. Even a physical challenge or special people can apply for it. So we have a lot of categories. So I feel talent doesn't have age, height or something. It should be given to everyone. So that's what my focus is.
Absolutely. कल फिनाले है, क्या उम्मीदें हैं, क्या expectations
The
हैं?
best one
It's
will
going to be
win.
a grand.
Definitely, the deserving one. It's been 3 months we have been trained. Amit, Vishal, Manav, इसके creative design. So सबने बहुत मेहनत की है, और मैम तो अभी
मैं तो सिर्फ लास्ट में आई हूँ बस.
But still,
just here for the glam.
और इस बार वेब सीरीज भी हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. अमित ने पूरा डायरेक्ट किया. So it's all their hard work which has been coming up now.
So that's a lovely thing you have. You know, it's just getting hotter. What would you
I know, right? I freaking know that, right? I know. It's just मैंने सोचा मिस्टर रूबरू मिस्टर इंडिया हो रहा है, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी थोड़े अपने मिस इंडिया वाले क्वालिटीज मेरे को आ जाए. So I really worked out really hard to look this. And I'm actually glad. I wanted to share one thing about Pankaj. I really met him, and इन्होंने मुझे invite दिया बड़े प्यार से बहुत प्यार से hamper बना के भेजा. And then I asked him, like, why do you do this? Is it important? I mean, because I know the kind of money that goes in, I know the kind of effort that goes in. And his simple answer was कि यार लड़कों के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे country में जहाँ पे they can, you know, represent themselves, show their talent, show their skills on ramp. So I think this is a very good cause. That is the only reason why I'm here, and obviously it's also Amit Khanna. You'll always see me tailing around him. So I think there's so much energy of talent and so much energy of goodwill that you want to work for this again and again. I think बहुत लोगों की दुआएं हैं. 21st edition है. You know, we'll do more and more editions.
I'm sure आपने कुछ tips तो दिए होंगे.
अभी तक नहीं. I've just met them today, and I'm quite impressed with the kind of selection these guys have pulled it off. And I am going to give them some tips, yes, for sure.
And how excited are you for tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'm pretty excited because I think this one would be the first ever male pageant where I'll be a part of it, and it's always fun to see a male pageant. No, हम तो देखते रहते हैं लड़कियों का pageant. This would be something unique and nice.
And the solo glamour part that we have is the level.
Of course, that is unbeatable, undeniable.
Amit, what a great lens, veteran that you are. You've been through the journey. आप क्या कहेंगे? How has it been for you through this 21st Rubru Mr. India?
Well, honestly, it's been an amazing experience. I think this is my 6th year with Rubru, and I've had an amazing experience with Pankaj, Manav, Vishal, whoever has been with us together. And I think as a team, we've really managed to bring a platform for the upcoming male talent in India. and I think all of us are so proud of them because they have made India proud internationally and globally as well. So I'm just a very small part of Pankaj's vision, which he looks forward to bring forth in our country, and I'm extremely happy and honored to support in whatever way I can.
What would you like to add?
Nothing much, was all the best for everyone. Let's rock it out.
I think it's all his creativity.
Yeah,
Creativity is like Vishal.
So
Actually, all his
this-
collections are
Pankaj has
amazing.
been really talking
Yeah.
about you. Please tell us your journey with Pankaj and on Rubaru.
My experience has been, it's been a family. We're like a teamwork here. So, I mean, they've always supported me, always been there for me. And, I mean, when we work together, we bring magic to the screen. That's what I think.
And we're
it's-
looking forward to that magic tomorrow.
That's amazing.
Any questions?
31st May Grand Finale, Rubaru Mr. India. You all are invited. Thank you so much and wishing all the best to all our contestants.
दिव्या जी आप भी रैंप शो करने वाले हो
हाँ?
रैंप पे चलने वाले हो आप
मैं पता मन करेगा
नहीं बताइए
कर लेगा
क्या तैयारी चल रहा है आपका
तैयारी तो देखो इट्स देयर डे ऑनेस्टली जो लड़कों का दिन है हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स का दिन है बट वैसे तो आपको मैं मिलती रहती हूँ ऐसे रैम्प्स में हर जगह तो कल इनका दिन है कल मैं कुछ नहीं करने कल आई एम गोना एंजॉय एज अ स्पेक्टेटर
थैंक यू